name is Mishra. In previous video, we have studied about the topic the temperature. The temperature we have studied from the chapter the water world. So now in this video, we will start a new topic, the major water bodies. Which are the major water bodies of the earth? So now let's move. So as you see, you have heard many names of oceans, and you know all of them, like Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. You have to know all of them, Pacific and Atlantic Ocean also. So now we will study more about these oceans, more deeply about these oceans in this video. So ocean covers 70% of surface area of water. Ocean covers 70% of surface area of earth. It means that if 100% is there, suppose it is 100% of land on the earth, and the ocean covers around 70. These a large amount of this land is covered by the ocean, which is 70%, 70 to 71%. So and the rest 30 to 29% is covered by land, in which we are living, like the Asia, Australia, etc. These are the land part, 20 to 30 to 21%, 29%. So it is 70% of surface of the earth, and average depth of 3.8 kilometers. That it means that it is ocean. So it is an average depth, means average depth of means about 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers to ocean bed, and these can be also be high, like in Pacific Ocean. In Pacific Ocean, a trench. What do you know? What is trench? A trench is suppose it's an ocean bed. This is ocean and this is the ocean bed. So in the ocean bed there is also a big hole in which it will move more down. So it is called trench, and these trenches can go to the depth of 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers, like many kilometers. It from the ocean part of the from the ocean part, it can go to the 12 kilometers in the depth, and it is called the Mariana Trench. It is in Pacific Ocean. This trench is in Pacific Ocean. So now let's see the major oceans. There are 5 major oceans. How many major oceans? There are 5 major oceans. First, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So now let's more deeply about Pacific Ocean. So now let's see where these 5 major oceans are situated in the world map. So firstly we will touch the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is situated in the west side of North America and South America. Here, this large part is the Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean is situated in the east side of North America and South America, and west side of Africa and Europe, and it is S-shaped from this here to here. And Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is situated in the just below the India, and it is only ocean named after a country, and it is in roughly in triangular shape. It is roughly in triangular shape. And now Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is here. This large amount of water is called Southern Ocean. And it is also called South Atlantic Ocean. We can also call it South Atlantic Ocean or Southern Ocean. And the next, Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is situated in the above, found in the above the north, above the Russia, and which is called Arctic Ocean. This place is where the water is covered is in the Arctic Ocean. So now let's study about the Pacific Ocean. So now let's see the Pacific Ocean. So the Pacific Ocean. So now let's study Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and deepest ocean. It means that it covers the most area than other oceans, and it is the deepest in the part. As I have told you in previous that this ocean has the largest trench. This ocean has the largest trench called Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench, which is situated in the Pacific Ocean, largest and deepest ocean, and covers 30.5% of surface area on the earth. This ocean covers the total oceans covers around 70%, out of which it contains 30.5% contains by is covered by Pacific Ocean. So, and has many islands volcanic in region, which is that in Pacific Ocean there are many small big islands which are in volcanic in origin. It means that these islands have volcano, and that can any time that can burst. So these island contains are in volcanic region. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is also called the ring of fire. The some area of Pacific Ocean is also called ring of fire, in which many volcanoes are run. So now let's see Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest and busiest ocean. It is Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest and busiest ocean. It means that is the second largest. Firstly, the Pacific Ocean is the first, and the second is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is second largest and busiest ocean. Busiest ocean is means that, so I explain you that suppose it is North America and this is South America. South America it is connected so by Europe and Africa. This ocean is situated and it is in a shape. So the ships and many ships the cargo ships come from this ocean, Atlantic Ocean, from Europe to Africa, from North America to South America to these areas. And this is the busiest ocean, largest and busiest ocean. It covers 20.8 surface area. It means that the total 70% covers by the ocean, in which 30.5% is covered by Pacific Ocean, and out of that 20.8% is covered by Atlantic Ocean. So, and now the rest percent is also being covered by the rest three oceans, Indian or Southern and Arctic Ocean. So, and the Atlantic Ocean is S in shape. S in shape means that from here the North America, South America and Europe and Africa, and this is from Europe to South America. So it is in roughly, not very exactly, and but it is in S shape. So now let's move to Indian Ocean. So now let's study about Indian Ocean. So it is the only ocean named after a country. It is the only ocean that is named after a country. This means that the Indian Ocean by the name, it denotes the country that it is named after the India. In India, it is named after the India, and it is the only country named after. It is the only ocean named after a country. It covers 40.4 of surface area. So in previous we have studied that 70% is total. 70% is total, and in which 30.5% is covered by Pacific Ocean, and the rest 20.8 is covered by Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean 14.4%. 14.4% is covered by the Indian Ocean, and the rest percent is covered by Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So, and it is important for oil reserves. It is important for oil reserves, means that in this ocean the many oil reserves are found. It means that the oil from that we found from underground water the Indian Ocean is very rich in the. It is for oil reserves. Many companies dig oil from the ocean, from Indian Ocean, and it is rich for oil reserves. So, and now Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. It occupies about 4% of surface area, and it means that 4% of surface area, and the rest percent is occupied by Arctic Ocean. It occupies 4% of surface area on the earth, and it has large ice sheets. This ocean, Southern Ocean, has many large ice sheets because of as you can because of the it is north pole and it is south pole, the south pole. So in the Southern Ocean is just above the south pole. So there is very cold. So the cold from the south pole gives the ice sheets to be there. So there are many ice sheets from many years. They are not melting, but now they are melting because of global warming. So save trees, use friendly things. So these ice sheets from many years. So now let's see Arctic Ocean. So now let's see the last ocean, Arctic Ocean. It costs two. So now let's see the Arctic Ocean. So the Arctic Ocean covers 2.8 surface area. 2.8 surface area of the Earth. It means that we have studied that Pacific Ocean 30.5 and 20.8 Atlantic Ocean, that we have know that we have studied. Now the Arctic Ocean is the smallest and also covers the smallest amount of percent, 2.8, only 2.8 surface area. So it is covered by Arctic Ocean, and it is enclosed by heavy landmass like North America, Asia, Europe, etc. So now let's see these in bigger view in map. So in this area you can see this is the Arctic Ocean, and enclosed this area is called Arctic Ocean, and enclosed by North America, Europe and Asia. Europe and Asian Greenland. So now I hope you have understand these all five major ocean: Pacific, Atlantic, Southern Indian, and Arctic Ocean. So now in our next video we will study about the movement of ocean water, in which we will study tides, waves, etc. These things. So till then, thank you. Save tree, save earth.